inches in a pretty short period of time.
Good morning, guys. You ever have stuff that you are piling up that you got to get done? A lot of clutter that you got to get done, but you're hurting. Well, today's that day that I am going to try to get my parents' backyard organized, because they got a lot of wood there, and there from when they tore down the shed. And then, of course, this madhouse situation here that got to get done, but they can't do it. I'm trying to make something that I can put these, I guess they're 2x2s or whatever the hell they are, off the ground and stack them up over there. So let me see what I can do. All right, you can see their oranges are coming good. I don't think I've ever seen them pick oranges, but they got a good crop going right there. And that's the lemon tree. But I didn't make my pole yet, so when I get the avocado, but there's a lemon up there. Anyway, the reason I'm doing this is because they're out of town. This is the only time I can do it. That way I can get it done. They're not out here telling me to do this and that and making it more difficult, but I think I came up with an idea. Let me go get my bucket thing. We got a storm coming, a low front that's gonna pass through the next 3 days. Gonna be a lot of rain, so gotta prepare. You never know when hurricane can pop up from any of these. I took that advice about cutting the grass 3.5. So far so good. It's not at 3.5 yet. I think it's at 3 because it wasn't that high, but it's starting to grow. And to be honest with you, the grass is looking, I mean, it's got a little spots there, but it's going to take time. But the grass has been looking 1,000% better. Doesn't turn brown. Great advice, whoever gave me that advice. Let me go get that pallet, because I know BB wanted to make something with a pallet. I don't know if she needed 1 or 2 pallets. Yeah, this is old man working. You get older and your backs are messed up, and this is how you do it. I know I could probably carry it over there, but you know what? Ain't like this has to be done today. Guys, get on out. Like I've said before, don't make your house your coffin. Get out and do something. Walk around. I don't care how long this takes me, because that's what I'm going to do with those long woods. I'm going to put them across and wheelbarrow them from there to there. Do what you got to do, man. Don't kill yourself. It's just do something. Stretch them muscles out. The more you don't use them, the weaker you get. I know a lot of people are going to say, man, you're doing double the work. All I had to go was from here to right there. Why didn't I just carry 1 or 2 at a time? Well, guess what? My body says no. And again, this is no time limit project. They're going to be gone for a week. I think I can do this in a week. I think I can do this in 3 days. Who knows? I might be able to do it today, but I'm not killing myself. Like I said, it's just all about don't kill yourself. Just do something. That's the basic idea right there. They're high enough. Even if it sinks a little, it's not going to touch the water. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And if any termites decide to come, it's away from the shed, away from the house. And then with our yard or whatever, I had that shovel that makes a channel. I'm going to put a channel here and a channel there, and it's just a shovel that's real long, skinny shovel, so that if it rains.
The trench shovel.
Yeah, the trench shovel. And she wondered why they got termites. Look, they're already. Yeah, and another one. They're already digging in, but I got that ant chemical. I'll just spray on the wood. That's the other thing, I'd be careful too. When these fall down like that, they'll grow another cactus. So you gotta remember to pick those up and throw those away. But alrighty, let's hope it makes it there. This is a little tough thing here. Okay, we did this area here again. It's all along the house. They've had termites. All that's gone. And then this is the last one. But before, I'll show you the progress of her pineapple. And that's what we mean. All this wood up in here, that's what brings termites into your house. I don't care if it's a cement house, you got wood roof.
Well, there's such thing
You got
as
wood
cement.
interior.
Yeah, but you still have cement termites.
Yeah, so we're getting there. This thing is I love it. This is $99 we spent. We found, you know what this,
Kill him.
I'm not gonna kill him. I want you to lift this up. What I'm saying was, when I went to go pull that wood up, I was like, watch, there'll be a snake underneath here. And sure as shit, there's a couple. And there's a hole there. No, I'm not gonna kill him. Just close that shed door, that patio. These are good snakes now. Don't harm them. Look at that. Sorry, Blackie.
You gotta skedaddle, dude.
Yep, that's where he's going to.
He's going over in the sweet potato patch.
Yeah, sweet potato patch, banana, our house, who knows. That scared the hell out of me. I said in my mind, I said, I bet you there's a snake.
It was Blackie and not around. Or a coral snake.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
Something to shit in your pants about.
And BB's got proof on her hand. She's been bit by a snake when you were young.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's this one.
Yep.
Right there.
And every now and then.
When my fibromyalgia acts up,
Yeah.
they turn bright red again.
Yep.
And up in here.
And that was when you were young, right?
Yeah, I was about 10, 11.
What kind of snake was it? You don't know?
They just said it.
Could have been a red corn. I mean, the corn snake,
Yeah.
maybe.
I was helping my dad hook up a car, and the grass was like this, and I just went in there to put the hook underneath there, and I felt like I got stung. I got stung, all right. But it got itchy. But the doctor at the hospital said it wasn't poisonous. It was like a garden snake. It was non-poisonous. It's just, I scared it, and it come at me.
All right, we sprinkled the bifin. There it is right there. Now we're just gonna get the cover. All right, Project Wood Rescue is completed. And those are, that I'll throw away and stuff like that. All right, and this is just for another day. Oh, I forgot a piece of wood. I'm gonna put that in my shed for now. Yep, that's just for another day. Eventually I'm gonna start throwing stuff away while they're not here. Get this backyard looking good. Like I said, guys, you start a project when you're older, make sure you're there to continue it. Don't start something at 60 years old, 50 years old. You gotta start at 20s, 30s, 40s, early 50s. Because after the 55, it's all downhill. And that's still damage from the hurricane that eventually they're gonna get repaired from when the tree fell on it. Okay, I found some food for the compost pile. There's our buddy. Open up your wings, baby. Okay. Oh, we got two. And I think that other one's ours. Yep, that's ours. It's got the gray side. Yep, that's ours. I don't know if it's the same one, but yeah, he came back. All right, so BB's gonna replace that top with that piece right there. Move the tables over.
Where the hell's my hammer?
While she does that, I'm gonna get those orange things and get what I can get in this shed. I'll say one thing, this shed stays cool. when you first open it.
It's because the siding has got insulation built into it.
It's,
It's what my mom put on her house.
I mean, it stays real cool. All right, let me see what she's doing. See if I can give her a hand. Alrighty, so far we've put that brace there and a brace there, but we had to put holes in the wood because that wood is tough. That's that pressure treated,
Yeah, buddy.
and then that's what it's gonna look like when it's done. Not bad, saving money, getting things done, moving around. I hate nailing, as you can see. That one right there. I'm telling you, I'm not good at woodwork, but I'm good at a car, and the butterflies are back here. You know when you're old, when you can't pull those friggin' nails out, but I ain't got no strength. Getting like me.
It's my wrist. So much for thinking I was going to build a tiny home. Wash your hand out the way.
Well, hang on. Alrighty.
Jesus. There we go.
Alright, let me get the roofing nails because we got to put this around here. This bracket. And now we can use the roofing nails. Okay. Now, can you use that one?
Yeah, I can use that one.
Alright, just don't get my finger.
Well, actually, what I want you to do.
There we go.
Move your finger. So I.
Don't worry about it. It'll bend when you put the nail in there
Yeah,
because
I
you're
know.
running out of room right here.
Right. Okay, hold on to it.
Alright, just be careful with my finger.
Okay.
Go ahead,
Move
just.
your finger.
Alright, and then one over here,
Yeah.
and then there.
There's not one in the back.
You sure?
Yeah.
There's
I'm
not a
sure.
hole back there?
No, there's not.
Oh, okay. That's the bracelet, so that pole don't go that way. There you go.
All right, by George, we're done.
We did it. Project completed. Projects. Yeah. Try not to bore you guys with a lot of these videos. That's why we throw them as second videos sometimes. And but basically every day we're always doing something out here.
Or at least we try.
Yeah. I mean, because it's just to show the same thing over and over.
It's
But-
monotonous.
Yeah, but these are different things. So don't forget, I got those big screw hooks too that I
I
found.
know. But these are going to be for plants or.
Okay. And then she's gonna do a project on on the pallet. Just gotta be careful because Birdie, I know,
Baby's in there.
she's up there. I see you. I'm respecting it. But she's
making
been,
damn sure.
yeah, she's been pretty good with us. But definitely attacking squirrels and other birds.
She don't play.
Yeah, but she knows we're not harming.
No, she knows we're
Yeah,
not
you
going to
see
mess
her
with
right
her
there.
baby.
Yeah, she knows. There's two of them, the hubby and the wife.
I don't know where I want to put this.